condemned to death by his peers for rebellion, Horus from Eurygonopolis, the god of heavens, has 7 days to see the earth of mankind once more. The earth he helped create. 7 days, the time for one beat of the divine heart, not a second more, before being deprived of his immortality. But even the gods fear death.
Heru.
Ure.
Ta em serut emma abdet.
Sefezeref aker. Sefezem ser. Amit nefer amu aset.
Simut bad. I know you're there. Children, my human children, I'm back. You have been much more than a body to me. I wish I could do more to thank you.
But you're running out of time, I know.
I sincerely hope your life as a human is a happy one. You will no longer feel the burden of your leg. You'll see, there will always be a little bit of me left inside you. Sutenbat, Akhet Zemut. Sutenbat.